Hey everyone, it's Evan. It's July, and for various reasons I haven't been out to look at any of the fields lately, so I thought I'd go out and see how the wheat crop is going. So welcome aboard. I'm Evan Anderman, a geologist, photographer, and pilot based in Denver, Colorado. Come with me as I discover new ways to look at the environment.
Going east, 6 Mike Yankee, thank you. Doing a backcountry flying class next week, so I got to practice my short field and soft field takeoffs.
Cessna 756 Mike Yankee, Centennial Tower, runway 17 left, line up and away.
Line up point, 17 left, 6 Mike Yankee. Flaps, picture, lights.
Cessna 6 Mike Yankee, fly straight out, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff, wind calm.
Clear for takeoff up to 17 left and fly straight out, 6 Mike Yankee. Got airspeed up. Yeah, I changed plans. Decided I'll try to take a few pictures, look at some wheat fields. I can see one here that they're actually just finishing harvesting. So there's one harvester working this field. Hoping to get right on top of it here. Oh, see how that does, huh? Okay, there's another field over here. Wow, that one's not even touched yet. It's hard to get a picture of the wheat when it hasn't been harvested. But there's kind of a mixture, maybe half the fields have been harvested. When I'm flying low, I have to watch out for towers and obstructions. I see there's one off to the west here at 5952. That should be a problem. There was an unharvested field over here I want to come back around to. I'm heading over to some fields over here that I call Salas and Senkas. But there are other fields called Vulcan and Pontus around it. You know, these are just code names I give them for tracking purposes. I see some amber in front of us, so there must be some wheat there. Not sure which field it's on yet until I get closer. It's a nice day, so I tend to fly with the window open. What is it, 72 degrees up here. This is perfect. For July, that's awesome. Right, Senkas also looks like it's got wheat on it. So it's a really late harvest because today is July 12th. They still haven't harvested some of this stuff. Sometimes it's done by the end of June. Interesting little spots on this field. And Senkas on the south side has these interesting squiggles. Yeah, that looked interesting. Gonna come back around because the north end of Salas is like partially plowed and not plowed. Could be an interesting juxtaposition. So I guess when the farmers aren't harvesting, they're getting their other fields ready to plant in September for next year. So it's fields that were fallow this year. They do one plow and then they go back through and plant it. But this is what you have to do, just wander around, see what things look like, see what's looking good, what's worthy of photographing. Oh yeah, Minerva is fallow this year. north of it are a couple other fields. Terminus, Aeon, Discordia, Viduous, E-Days. Some of them have wheat in them, some of them don't, so we'll just have a look at it. Part of Terminus has wheat, part doesn't. The interesting part doesn't. But the part that doesn't might be interesting. But Terminus has some interesting burbs in it that I've shot over the years. Climbing back up 7800 for the airport. Centennial Tower, stationary 756 Mike Yankee at Aurora Reservoir with Zulu for a full stop.
Stationary 756 Mike Yankee, Centennial Tower, enter left base, runway 17 left.
Left base, 17 left, 6 Mike Yankee.
Set 6 Mike Yankee, runway 17 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 17 left, 6 Mike Yankee. Nobody on final. Well, good flight. A little hazy out. Didn't quite get to do what we wanted to do, but I think we had a good flight anyway. Got to see some wheat fields and play around with the new stole a little bit, but we'll save that for another flight, actually. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and look forward to catching you on the next flight.